sitting in the tall chair, my dad, with my siblings. Which one of you did this? Which one of you are watching this? Rajiv's too fucking young to be searching this shit up. He doesn't know what it is. And I'm just sitting there. Dad, have you seen my crayons?
You gotta feel this.
So, do we have American people here? I already felt it. It's like none of you like Trump, right? So, yeah, I don't get the whole thing, the left and the right and the pro-gun. I actually love your Second Amendment. I gotta say that. And I don't know why you guys want to take guns away. I don't know, with all the laws, and I'm like, okay, there's like 30,000 people murdered a year by firearms, so we got to take the guns away. Well, there's 50,000 car accidents with deaths. I mean, are we going to take away the women's driver's license too, or what is it?
Give me that beer back. Beer back.
I'm going to give everybody shit. I always do.
It's a bitch.
Yeah. So, well, I got the two things a little bit unrelated just to like close up. I don't have a lot of jokes today. But on the porn topic, because I started really early, but still, I'm not an addict. I just watch like a healthy amount of porn. But yeah, you know, as a man, we watch porn. You know your favorite porn star, right? Like Mia.
What's healthy?
You don't know? You can tell me later backstage. I know you know.